Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking southern style collard greens. The ingredients are 1 pound turkey necks, 2 32-ounce chicken broth, 6 cups water, 2 garlic, 1 onion, 1 green pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar optional, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoon chicken base, 1 bag collard greens, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Now I will add smoked turkey necks and half of the ingredients to the boiling water. The rest can be added later. Now I will add turkey necks, teaspoon of salt, and half of the seasonings. Let's continue to cook. Now for my greens, I will use a knife to cut leaves from stems. Now add salt and wash thoroughly. Wash 3 or 4 times. After washing, let's drain before cutting. Now the meat is getting tender. Let's continue to cook. Now I will stock my greens on top of each other. Fold over then cut. Wow, this is great. Delicious. Delicious. Woo, delicious. Taste. It's real good. Real good. Wow. It's getting tender. I think it's right. Now I will remove the turkey necks. Now I will add the rest of the ingredients. Sugar. Some more pepper. And now I'll be adding the greens. Let's cook. Woo! Let's cook, let's cook, let's cook. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So, yeah. Good. All looking good. All looking good, guys. And I am so happy. So excited. Let's cook until tender. Let's cook until it's tender. Tender. Let's cook until it's tender. Now that the turkey neck is cool, I will pick the meat from the bones. all juicy, all red and juicy. Now I will return the meat to the pot. All ready to be served, guys. All ready to be served. Look at all this juice. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.